Splish Splash, the joy of water play. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of water play. Whether you're at the beach, in your backyard, or even indoors, water play is a fun and interactive way to engage with the English language. Let's explore what water play means and why it's a splash hit for learners of all ages. Water play refers to activities that involve playing with water. It's as simple as it sounds, yet it encompasses a wide range of activities. Children often engage in water play at school or at home, which can include splashing in a paddling pool, pouring water in and out of containers, or running through sprinklers. But it's not just for kids. Adults participate in water play too, perhaps while swimming, water skiing, or even washing a car. Water play isn't just fun, it's educational. It offers sensory experiences that are crucial in early childhood development. Sensory play helps children to learn about their environment by touching, tasting, smelling, seeing, hearing, and, in this case, feeling water. For language learners, water play provides a context for new vocabulary and expressions, such as splash, flow, drip, pour, and many more. It also encourages social interaction, which is a great opportunity for practicing conversational English. Water play is a universal concept, but it takes on different forms around the world. In some cultures, water play is part of traditional festivals, like Songkran in Thailand, where people enjoy water fights as part of the New Year celebrations. Understanding these cultural nuances can enrich an English learner's vocabulary and appreciation for the diversity of English-speaking cultures. Let's get our feet wet with some common vocabulary and phrases related to water play. Splash, to make water scatter and fall in drops. Soak, to become thoroughly wet by immersing in water. Drip, to let water fall in small drops. Sprinkle, to scatter drops of water lightly over a surface. Pour, to flow or cause to flow in a steady stream. Remember, these words can be both nouns and verbs depending on the context. I hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the simplicity and joy of water play. Not only is it a delightful way to cool off, but also a fantastic method to learn English naturally. So, the next time you come across water play, jump in and enjoy the linguistic journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice your new vocabulary next time you make a